Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you best Jollyphonics app. This app provides us daily lessons plans for each of the 42 letter sounds. Jollyphonics is an app that helping young children in the initial stages of learning to read with phonics. Let's have a look with me. In this app, you can learn letter sounds of group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6 and group 7. First, let's look letter S. S. Letter formation. Which of these words does not have S sound?
Sun, snail,
spider,
drum,
In this app, you can get all the jolly songs for each letter sound. So in this app, every letter have their own sound, letter formation, and their blending words. As you can see, let's look blending words. A, t, at, s, a, t, sat. So every letter have their blending words like C and K both have same sound. A, t, cat, a, can. And these photos. And at the end, Jollyphonics sound song. In this app, we can learn group 1 letter sounds and their blending words. S, a, t, a, mm. Group 2 sounds k, e, r, d. This app features our letter sounds audio for all sounds, all the jolly songs for each letter sounds, animated letter formation, action, image and instructions. Here are some alternatives. A, 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 and their blending words. Ow, ow. So these are alternatives. J, 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 J. Oi, oi. I, 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 with their blending words. Or, or. Different spelling but have same sound. These are alternatives, and every alternative have their own blending words. So this is really helpful for your child to learn these alternatives. S, s, s. This app also has tricky words. This app also has flashcards, assessment test, a selection of interactive games. So this app is best to learn phonics. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.